Welcome back to my channel. I am Mustafa Nasser and you are watching Arabic for Nuns. This is the first lesson of this new series on the channel, Arabic Speaking. Today we will learn together how to introduce ourselves in Arabic. I'm going to use two different approaches of introducing myself. Then I will make some comments on some vocabularies and phrases used in this lesson. These are the information I would like to conduct about myself: the name, the age, the nationality, the occupation, and lastly, the location. I summarized all vocabularies and phrases used in this lesson in one PDF file. You can download it for free from the link in the video description. You will only have to give your email, click download, and it will show up for you. Now let's begin. But before that, support me and subscribe my channel, activate the bell, and like the video. I will also put the link for our Facebook group in the video description. Make sure to join us. We will be having lots of activities and live sessions on the group. First, let me greet you in Arabic. I can greet you simply by saying hello. Hello in Arabic or hi means أهلا, أهلا. This is hello. Or I can say مرحبا. This means welcome. مرحبا. So we have أهلا, hello, مرحبا, welcome. Or we can simply use السلام عليكم. This phrase is used in all Arabian countries as greeting. It's not only for Muslims. So أهلا, مرحبا, or السلام عليكم. The first approach I will use to introduce myself is the easiest one. I'm going to use the pronoun I. I in Arabic means أنا. I can form many sentences using this pronoun. Like أنا مصطفى. I am Mustafa. This is my name. You can also use it with your name. أنا محمد. أنا Michael. It also works with the feminine. أنا فاطمة. أنا عائشة, and so on. Now moving to the age. I want to say, for instance, I am 20 years old. By the way, I'm not 20 years. I'm 28 this coming April. أنا. Okay, here we cannot use am, verb to be. We cannot use it in Arabic. I will say why in a second. So we will have to say have. I have. In Arabic, have means لدي. أنا لدي. I have. 20 years. 20 عشرون. أنا لدي عشرون. And years, here we only use the singular. سنة. سنة means a year. And in the course of grammar, we will explain why. So أنا لدي عشرون سنة. I have 20 years. This is the exact translation, which is equivalent in English to I am 20 years. So this 20, we can say 30. 30 in Arabic means ثلاثون. أنا لدي ثلاثون سنة. Or 40. أربعون. أنا لدي أربعون سنوات or سنة. Okay? The next one is the nationality or the country. I want to say I am from Egypt. This is my country. I am from Egypt. I will use the same pronoun. I, أنا. From in Arabic means min. Only two letters preposition. Min. Ma and na. And ma letter here is labeled with kasra. Mi. Min. أنا من. I am from. Egypt means مصر. Egypt means مصر. أنا من مصر. I am from Egypt. You can delete مصر, Egypt, and put your own country. أنا من أمريكا. I am from America. If I want to say I am from the United States of America, you will have to say أنا من الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. What? This is too long. Let's stay with America. أنا من أمريكا. America in Arabic أمريكا. أنا من فرنسا. France. أنا من ألمانيا. I am from Germany. أنا من إيطاليا. I am from Italy. أنا من نيجيريا. I am from Nigeria. Did you notice this pattern? أمريكا، فرنسا، ألمانيا، إيطاليا، Nigeria. Somehow you will feel a similarity between some country names in Arabic, right? Let's look at the occupation. I want to say I am a teacher. I, usually أنا. Teacher in Arabic means معلم. معلم. There's a duplicate here with letter لا. لم. معلم. أنا معلم. I am a teacher. Someone might ask, where is verb to be? In English we said I am. Where is this am in Arabic? We do not see it. Usually in Arabic, in the present tense, we are not using verb to be. It will show up in the past and the future tenses, but in present tense, we will not say verb to be. So literally we say I, teacher. I, أنا, teacher, معلم. أنا معلم. This is enough. أنا معلم. Okay? Does it work like this with the feminine? If one female wants to identify herself or introduce herself as a teacher, is she going to say أنا معلم? No. Why? Because this noun معلم is a masculine. We need to convert it into a feminine. Usually in Arabic, to get the feminine noun of any masculine noun, we will have to add one of two suffixes. I'm going to talk about the most popular one in this lesson, which is تا. We call it in Arabic التاء المربوطة, the tied تا, because it's originally normal تا letter, but we rounded the edges so that it gets this circular shape. That's why we call it the tied تا. And it gets this shape if and only if it's the last letter in the word. Like here. Just remember this notice because I'm going to get back to this in a minute. So here we will have to add this ta to the word معلم to get the feminine. When we add it, it becomes معلمة. مه. It gives this ha sound. It is supposed to give ta sound, but here it's a consonant, so it will get ha sound. So معلم becomes معلمة. If you are a female, you want to say I am a teacher, you will say أنا معلمة. أنا معلم for the male, أنا معلمة for the female. Let's say another example. If I want to say I am a doctor, doctor in Arabic means طبيب. طبيب. أنا طبيب. I am a doctor. Okay, for the female, you will add again the tied ta, التاء المربوطة, becomes طبيبة. أنا طبيب for the male, أنا طبيبة for the female. Okay, what about student? أنا طالب. Student, طالب. أنا طالب. I am student. What about the female? أنا طالبة. Let's take one final example. An engineer. مهندس. Engineer in Arabic means مهندس. أنا مهندس. I am an engineer. What about the female? أنا مهندسة. مهندسة. Now let's see the location. I want to say I live in Cairo city. أنا live أعيش. أنا أعيش. And في in Arabic is a two letters preposition. في, fa, and ya. And again, fa letter is labeled with kasra. في. أنا أعيش في. I live in. Cairo city. City in Arabic means Medina. Do you know Al-Medina from Saudi Arabia? So this word Medina means city and Cairo means Al-Qahira. So altogether will be أنا أعيش في مدينة القاهرة. And as you can see, this Medina, you can see again this تايت, which indicates that this noun is feminine by gender. Okay? So أنا أعيش في مدينة القاهرة. Again, you can remove القاهرة and put your own city. أنا أعيش في مدينة باريس. I can even delete this word مدينة. أنا أعيش في باريس. I live in Paris. That's all. There is no need to say city, Paris city, or city of Paris. أنا أعيش في باريس. I live in Paris. أنا أعيش في أبوجا. I live in Abuja. أنا أعيش في London, and so on. Okay, let's summarize all the phrases in this first approach. أنا مصطفى. أنا لدي 20 سنة. أنا من مصر. أنا أعيش في مدينة القاهرة. أنا معلم. Simple as that. Okay, now let's move to the next approach. In the first one, we used the pronoun. Here, I want to use the noun. Like, I am Mustafa. Instead of saying that, I want to say, my name is Mustafa. Okay? Name in Arabic means ism. Ism. What about my? If I want to say my, how can we add this possessive adjective? Usually, adjectives in Arabic comes after the noun, not before like in English. So here, we will have to add another suffix. Only one letter, ya. Okay? So ism means a name. If I want to say my name, I will add ya. It becomes ismi. My name. Ismi. Ismi Mustafa. That's it. My name is Mustafa. My name is Muhammad. Ismi Muhammad. Ismi Fatima. Ismi Aisha. I can even add the pronoun before ismi. So, أنا اسمي مصطفى is correct like this. أنا اسمي مصطفى or اسمي مصطفى. Okay, second, the age. I want to say my age is 20. My age. Again, age in Arabic means عمر. عمر. To say my, we will have to add the same suffix. And this suffix indicates my possession of this noun. عمر becomes عمري. عمري. My age is 20 years. عمري 20 سنة. So first, اسمي مصطفى. عمري 20 سنة. Okay, now moving to the nationality. I can use two approaches. I can say my nationality or my country. Let's start with the first one. My nationality. Nationality in Arabic means جنسية. Again, we are having this tight T. Can you see it? So here, it has the H sound because it is the last letter in the word. Do you remember when we said when it comes as the last letter, it gets this shape? Now concentrate what we are going to do. جنسية. Okay? I want to say my. I will add the same suffix. جنسيتي. Look what happened here. The T is no longer the last letter in the word because we added the suffix. That's why it gets back its original shape. Can you see it? Okay? جنسيتي. My nationality. جنسيتي. I want to say Egypt is مصر, right? So, if I want to say Egyptian, it will be مصري. I will add ya again. But this time, it's going to be duplicated. مصري. جنسيتي مصري. جنسيتي أمريكي. My nationality is American. جنسيتي نيجيري. Nigerian. جنسيتي فرنسي. French. And so on. So, مصري Egyptian. أمريكي American. نيجيري Nigerian. فرنسي French. And so on. Now talking about the occupation. I want to say my occupation is teacher. Occupation in Arabic means مهنة. Again, we are having this te once more. We will add the same suffix. مهنتي, and again, the te gets back its original shape. And as well as its original shape, it will also restore its original sound. مهنتي, te. مهنة, here it's consonant. That's why we pronounce it he. مهنة. But when it gets its shape, becomes te. مهنتي. Okay, مهنتي. My occupation is teacher. مهنتي معلم. This is for male. What about for female? مهنتي معلمة. Okay, you get it now. مهنتي طبيب. My occupation is doctor. For the female, مهنتي طبيبة. مهنتي طالب, a student. For the female, مهنتي طالبة. And so on. Lastly, the location. I want to say my city is Cairo. My city. We said that city means مدينة. To say my, I will add the same suffix. مدينتي. مدينتي. مدينتي القاهرة. My city is Cairo. مدينتي باريس. مدينتي أبوجا. مدينتي New York. And so on. Let's now summarize all these phrases for the second approach. أنا اسمي مصطفى. عمري 20 سنة. جنسيتي مصري. مدينتي القاهرة. ومهنتي معلم. That's all. So, either you use one of these approaches is okay to introduce yourself. Later in this course, we will get to know many sentences and phrases that will allow you to conduct more information about yourself. Now, I advise you to repeat these vocabularies and phrases that we covered in this lesson. You will also see the PDF file very helpful to you. And don't forget to join our Facebook group. We are going to conduct live lectures to practice together this content of this lecture. See you.